Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can animate your photos to make it look more interesting on CapCut mobile. So select your photo and you're just going to select style, and here's where you can select from like a bunch of like options that you can like add to like animate your photo. For instance, this cosmic effect one, you can just select it and it's going to generate this sort of effect to your photo. You have like a lot of options. Make sure you select the photo first to see the style option, or else it won't show up. You have like this photo puzzle one. You have this pop-up album one. You just have like a lot of options to choose from for your photos to make them look more interesting, I guess. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!